What up, Smart Rapper Gang? In this video, I'm gonna teach you and tell you the story of how Big Sean got signed. And then inside of that story, I'm also gonna tell you about how even though he had gotten signed, they still didn't let him do anything for 2 years. He had the talent, he had other things, but the thing that he was missing was all of the other fundamentals. And that's what I try to teach you on Smart Rappers, that you need all of the skill sets, all of the fundamentals and the things that it takes and requires for you to become successful and be promoted and branded and put out into the world to really be able to blow up. So, for example, even though he got signed, he still had to learn all these other things. And these are the same things I teach you on Smart Rapper. But luckily, I get to take from somebody like Big Sean's story and prove to you that this is really how it works. You have to have all of this knowledge in all these different areas. Otherwise, they're not really gonna be able to push you, or better yet, screw a label, you're not gonna be able to push you as efficiently as possible. If they thought that, oh, it's just about the talent, then they would just sign somebody and push them. They don't. They groom the artist first. In this case, you're gonna have to groom yourself. So let me get into this story, and you're gonna learn something today. I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper, and you're about to get smarter. Right to the intro.
I'm Rob Level, a successful music artist that's been rapping for over 10 years. I've been posted everywhere from Complex to TMZ. I've had label deals, charted top 100, written songs for major artists with Grammy winners. On here, I teach you everything I learned in the music business. So as I learn, you get to learn too. This is Smart Rap.
If you're gonna talk about making a deal, like, it's just like, it depends on who you are, what you're capable of, and if the deal makes sense. Because you gotta think about how many people get a deal every day. You know how many people get signed? Let's take somebody like Kanye. This is a perfect example. Kanye, when he signed Big Sean. Big Sean came, he had already rapped for him before. He came back up to went to the radio station because he heard he was gonna be there. Kanye saw the ambition, he saw the hustle. Well, only someone who hustles is gonna get up off their ass, go there, have the confidence to then rap to Kanye. To have that, that's a lot. You know what I'm saying? And he obviously did it well where it impressed him. Kanye signed him, but it wasn't for even a couple years where he had the opportunity to even get any amount of limelight. And what happens is this: somebody like Kanye, who was suppressed for years, and people are like, nah, you ain't gonna do it. You ain't gonna do it. You can be a rapper, you're funny. You can be a rapper, you're a producer. You're a great producer, just produce. So all these people were telling him he couldn't. When somebody like that had to work so hard to get it, and then he got it, and he got it further than anybody else, he knows that the person who he just signed needs to sit there, shut up, and just learn the process. You're not just gonna get signed and blow up. You're gonna get signed, and you're gonna sit there for 2 years learning the shit that I teach people. What was the name of his first mixtape when he dropped it? Finally Famous.
Yeah,
He was like, yeah, I have to keep waiting.
Yeah.
Getting signed, you don't necessarily get a bonus. It's the bonus is you basically get to intern and sit there in the studio. Right now, me as a grown ass man, me making as much money as I make. You tell me I can go sit in the studio with Kanye for a month straight. You ain't gotta pay me. I'll go get the coffee. Me, as Rob Level, grown man right now, I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna learn something, and I'm gonna enjoy the whole process, and I'll do it for free. And that's the thing, that artists get signed, they think that the signing is like gonna change their life. No, the signing is when it starts. Yeah. The signing is when your career begins, when you have to start working. Yeah. Okay? This is just somebody saying, we believe that you can do it. Now and prove it. That's what a label deal is. And most people are not ready for that. What the f? There you have it. I love learning little stories like that and then being able to share them with you, because when I see a story like that, I'm like, I knew it. I knew it. You know what I'm saying? Especially when it's somebody as big as Kanye. Like, think about that. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. With a like, hit me with a subscribe. Make sure you hit that little bell when you do so you can get notified every time that I release a video, which is every single fucking day. I spent months and months building all of the Smart Rapper products and everything else like that. A lot of you didn't even know I have Smart Rapper product, but I do. I have over 150 different products. And what I started doing is below in the description, you can check out any of those products. I built an entire level system, level 1 to level 12 for the music industry, that you can check out below. And inside of those levels, it's gonna show you pretty much where you're at in your music career. And if you look in there, you're gonna see all the courses that I have in each level. So wherever you're at and you wanna move and progress forward to the next level, I have a course to help you get to that next level, right? That's all below. That's what I've been working on this entire time COVID's been happening. And even prior to that, I already had a bunch of courses, but now I have around 150 courses. Damn! Because I want to make sure that I can help everybody in every single possible area. This is helping tens of millions of artists, and I want to make sure that you're one of those artists that we help. So check out those courses below, get your free stuff as well, and make sure you subscribe, hit the like, and hit me with a comment. Say whatever you're feeling, all right? Because it helps the channel, and if you have any questions, leave them below, because I'll be answering a lot of questions. And keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.
Smart Rapper Gang!